In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the first column in monday.com. First, open the board where you want to customize the first column. Next, hover over the first column header and click the drop-down arrow that appears. Select Rename Column from the menu. Enter a new name for the column, such as task name, client name, or project title, and press Enter to save the change. If you want to customize how information is displayed, click the column drop-down arrow again and select Settings. From the Settings menu, review the available display options and choose the format that best fits your workflow. For more advanced setups, you can connect other boards using a Connect Boards column and display related information using a Mirror column. This allows you to surface important information from connected boards while keeping your data organized. Keep in mind that the first column is a required column in monday.com. It serves as the primary item name column, so it cannot be deleted or moved to another position. However, you can rename it and customize how it works to better match your workflow. That's it. You've successfully changed and customized the first column in monday.com. Thanks for watching.